G'day everyone. So I've got another Scorpco folder. That's the box it comes in. This is the sheath. It comes in, little belt loop on the back, their brand up top, and this is a big boy. So, she's a big one. She's about 4mm thick, tapers down, D2 steel, G10 scales with a glass breaker on the back of it. Stainless, dog hair, my dog, my border collie. I was playing with this knife out in the lounge room. She's a good dog, but she's getting old now. Anyway, back to the knife. Stainless steel liner lock, and it's just buttery smooth again. Alright. And razor sharp. The model of this one is D2G BB, and the price is $40, and that includes postage. It weighs 198 grams. The blade length is 9 centimeters. So yeah, this is really good, awesome quality. And really deep carry. Like, the only thing that's going to stick out of your pocket is the glass breaker. That's awesome. I look forward to testing that one out. So go to the bush and give that one a test. Give a torch test. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. And if you want to check out all this stuff, in the background there you'll see extremesurvival.com.au. That's how you spell it. And they've got heaps of cool stuff, and they're always getting more and more stuff in. And you're getting high quality at really affordable prices. I've got some really expensive knives, but I'm not going to use them. But with these knives, they're going to last years, and yeah, they cost, $40 for that one. So yeah, all right, I'll catch you on the next video.